Respected audience, I am Wasim Mamen, tax and business consultant. This is an important and timely development concerning foreign nationals residing in the United States. The U.S. government has introduced a new regulation aimed at strengthening and enforcing its immigration system. This regulation took effect on April 11, 2025. It includes a set of instructions that all non-U.S. citizens must follow. Introduction to the new regulation. This regulation has been issued under an executive order by President Donald Trump, titled Protecting the American People Against Invasion. It is being enforced under the supervision of the U.S. Department of Homeland Security. The legal foundation of this directive lies in the Alien Registration Act of 1940, which originally required immigrants to register with the federal government, although enforcement was inconsistent in the past. Who is affected? This regulation applies to all foreign nationals, including but not limited to holders of student visas, green card holders, individuals on H-1B work visas, and all documented and undocumented non-citizens living in the U.S. Key points of the regulation: proof of legal immigration status must be carried at all times. All foreign nationals must now carry documentation proving their legal immigration status at all times. This may include passports, visas, green cards, or other official immigration documents. Mandatory registration for stays over 30 days. Any non-citizen planning to stay in the U.S. for more than 30 days is now required to register with the federal government. Registration through Form G325R. Registration must be completed using Form G325R. This requirement applies to all non-citizens aged 14 and older. Registration for minors. For children under 14, their parents or guardians must complete the registration. Once the child turns 14, they must re-register themselves and submit fingerprints within 30 days of their birthday. Registration deadline. Foreign nationals arriving on or after April 11th must register within 30 days of arrival. Address changes must be reported. Any change of address must be reported to the DHS within 10 days. Legal immigrants must still carry documentation. Even if an immigrant is legally residing in the U.S., such as those on student visas, H-1B work visas, or green cards, they are considered registered. However, they must still carry documentation proving their status at all times. Failure to do so could lead to legal consequences. Ladies and gentlemen, this new regulation has a direct impact on millions of foreign nationals living in the United States. Therefore, it is crucial for everyone to understand and comply with the law. Timely registration, accurate reporting, and keeping documentation on hand at all times are now mandatory. Non-compliance could result in legal penalties, fines, or even deportation. It is our responsibility to follow the law and maintain our legal status clearly and securely to avoid any trouble. Thank you for your attention.